to give you a quick overview of the Poultry Hawk E-Series. This is a great entry-level trolley system. We're able to do that mainly by three areas. The first one is we've made a more basic and simple design using more parts found around the farm. Secondly, we using galvanized construction, which of course helps and saves. And then the third area is less bells and whistles. And so that makes it a great entry-level trolley system. The E-Series has the same size as the Premium Series as well as the same capacity. We're able to do that because some of the lighter construction, and again when we get to the controls, we're not utilizing a big battery like we are on the Premium Series. We're utilizing our same premium rail on our E-Series. So both the Premium and the E-Series run off of our great rail system. You'll notice as far as design goes, it's just a more simple and basic design. The main tube here is just a little more simple and basic. The way we mount our idler arm with a bearing there, again, is just more simple. We're using more nuts and bolts. And you'll notice our motor gearbox combination here is a little different than on our Premium Series. Also, you'll notice we use snapper pins instead of our pop pins, which takes a little longer to put up and down. But again, that's where we are able to shave some cost on this E-Series. We also offer, just like on our Premium Series, we offer our rail brush option as well. So that kind of points out a lot of the similarities and the differences in our E-Series versus our Premium Series. Then it comes to the controls. And this is where it really gets fun. We cut some bells and whistles, but then we are powered by our drill battery option. So we're able to use DeWalt 20-volt option. We got the option for Milwaukee. We got the option for Makita. So you have those three options when you're ordering your Poultry Hawk. Along with any of those options now, there's obviously all these knockoff brands, and you can buy those as well, and it works great for the E-Series. And so there's no chargers or wires that you have to run to the E-Series. It's pretty much a plug-and-play system. Plug it in and you're clipped in and ready to go. The E-Series is very easy to troubleshoot. There's not a lot going on here, but it's very easy to troubleshoot. We still have our soft start and soft stop, which makes it a very smooth system. We have our locator light that you can see it anywhere in the house. Again, our remote has a range of up to 750 feet to 1,000 feet. And so you can run this thing from one end of the house to the other, and you can see whether it's moving or not. So that's a very important piece in there. If you don't like it to shine, you can put something over it to cover that up. We have a simple power switch there that turns it on and off. And then also we're able to control our speed from our remote. And this remote again is the same remote that is on our Premium Series as well. If you have a track diverter system, this system, the E-Series, can be ran with the track diverter system. Again, it's the same rail system, and this remote integrates with both the E-Series and the Premium Series. Again, we cut a few of the bells and whistles, and a few of the bells and whistles that we cut out on this series is you no longer have an indicator light saying the level of the battery and also the speed of the Poultry Hawk. You just simply, wherever it's at when you start it is where it's at, and then of course you can move it up and down. So that pretty well gives you an overview of the Poultry Hawk E-Series. Then something new that we just released as well with the E-Series is our brand new manual dump. The E-Series does not have the ability to electronically dump, or it doesn't have the accessory cord. And so none of that can be done with the E-Series panel. And so we've designed this new manual dump. And you're going to love that option as well. It's just very simple. Just take it and push it, and it dumps it just like that. And so, again, it gives you, the customer, one other option as you decide what trolley system best fits your farm. If you're looking at it and you wonder, well, how can I put my buckets in there? This handle is somewhat in the way, and if that is the case, if you're putting buckets in there, you can simply unsnap this, and this bar easily slides in and out. So again, we try to think through many of the different options that you're going to be using this thing for and integrating them in. We think that this gives you, the customer, another option yet as you look at a trolley system. And we look forward to hearing from you and serving you with a dead bird removal system.